We already done
No,
this.
yeah,
So
this one,
anyway.
yeah. So welcome to video 3. Now we're going, remember we stopped in 10C41. Now we're going 10C42. Now we're gonna do the verification first. 10C42. Item number, you can look on the book. You can grab one of the book and then you see 459,657. 459,657. You put a verification check mark and then you start counting. So this is 10. So the first layer here is 10 and then you count the partial layer on the top. So 10, 11, 12, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 times 10 is 170. Okay, 170 plus the partial is 3. You got 173. Is that what you get, Junico?
Yeah.
Okay, he got 173 also. So now you write down 173. Okay, now we go 10D11. Okay, there it is 489,005. Verify 10D11. And then 489,005, 10D12. Okay, now we're gonna count. So you got 10, 10. So it means that per layer you got 100 books. So 100 books times 3 is 300 books. So the other one also, they're the same layers, same amount of layers. They still got strap on it, so they're the same. There's no issue or anything. So it's 300 also. So now it's done. Okay, so that's how it works on the count one. Count one, you do this part, verification, and count one, you do the first count. Count two, let's say there's another team. Let's say this team one is us, and then team two is another team. They start doing the same thing, and then if they finish after they finish all the pages, if this is the same, count two. If they're the same number, count two will transfer all the information in here as the final count. Okay, if they're not the same, let's say we got 768, they got 765, you're gonna use a verification request form. Here's a verification request form. Let's say location team who's requesting is team 2. We're team 1. Let's say team 2 is another team requesting it. So they're gonna write down here team 2. What's the location? 10C11. You're gonna write here 10C11. What's the item number? 411659. What's the title? Let's say this is title, Man Dwelling Place God. So you type it, you write it down. The ticket number is this column here. See, that's 332. So that's the ticket number. So what you do is put a check mark on the third count needed. Okay, so what you do also in here, let's say team 1 did it. Team 1, you got team 2. First count is 768. Second count is 765. Now another team, maybe team 3, team 4, or whatever team, they're gonna do team 3. They're the one who's gonna count it the third time around. So let's say whatever they counted, 768. Let's say they got 768. Team 3. And then they they're the one who's gonna write down. Whoever doing count number 2, leave it blank if they're not the same. Leave it blank if they're not the same. Okay? Leave it blank here. So the one who's gonna write information here is team 3. Whoever's gonna do the team 3, the final check. Okay, so the final check is 768. They're gonna put 768 in here. Let's say this is 765. So that's how it works. And then you're gonna finish all this. We don't throw this out. If you're not gonna use this, don't throw this out because Mike gonna need them all back because they got numbers on it. Usually Mike will give you maybe 3, 4, 5 pieces of it every time you do. You got a clipboard. Okay, so that's inventory. I guess in an overview of inventory, how we do stuff here. So just kind of be careful when you guys are counting. Like I said, watch out on those numbers here. So this is per layer, 14 cases per layer, and then you multiply it on the quantity there. But what you do first is count how many boxes. So 14 times 4, 14, 28, 56, and then you count how many on top. And then you count and then multiply it, only the 4 boxes. Multiply it on the quantity per box, and then plus the loose. Then that's gonna be your total count. Okay, see you guys on July 1st. Thank you again for your help and free lunch. Lumal Natis Pizza.